everybody, welcome to my kitchen for the very first episode of Jeff Cooks. Since Thanksgiving's around, or Halloween, whenever this comes out, we're going to make a turkey, a Cajun style turkey. Do I know what that is? Not really. But I do have a chef behind the scenes, a friend of mine who I went to high school with. It's Alex. So let's go. So first thing we're going to use to make this amazing turkey is sage. And then we're going to use thyme. And then we're going to use... Wait, there's something else. Okay, so next we got some ginger paste and garlic paste. And score... Oh, what else do we have? We have a habanero that just fell behind the fridge. And we got an onion. Let's go. And finally, we're going to use 2 limes. This is a lemon. Like, what the fuck? Like, dude. Like, didn't you go... Whatever. Kids, use 2 limes next time, because apparently some chefs are incompetent. So to help us make this, we're using some sugar. We're using some rub, Cajun rub, whatever. And then specifically, we're using... that was English. Crystal hot sauce, who we're not sponsored by. I wish we were. And we're also using some special thing called salt. Don't you dare, you son of a bitch. I guess it's gonna have to clean that up then. Okay, so everything else you see here just goes into the marinating rub. But with the Cajun rub sauce, just buy 3 of these. These things go fast. I don't know why I have an empty one. I should really go get a new one, but... And let's continue making this brine. Okay, so all of this goes into a brine, which is in here. The 5-gallon bucket. You know, it doesn't matter whose you use. But we brine the turkey for 4 days, and then yeah, that's what we do in Jeff's kitchen. So basically, the use for the brine is basically we or just ever just kind of getting it all. I have no clue what I'm talking about. But what this sheet does, we thaw the turkey for 2 days, and then we put the turkey in the brine, and then add water to cover turkey, make sure it's neck down. Then we fill the cavity, and add a bag of ice on top of the turkey to submerge it, and then keep it in the fridge for 4 days. And yeah, that's it. That's how we do it in Jeff's kitchen. Okay, don't play the intro. I guess we're just gonna start making this turkey. It's very squishy. Okay, now so first things first. This is a turkey, and I lost the sheet of rules. Okay, so for rule number 1 with this turkey, we're going to baste it, and then we're going to inject it with God knows what, and broil it. I guess I'm getting a no for that. So right now we're going to inject it and then baste it and then season it with this thing, this 1920s World War II. I got polio and I don't know how to fix it thing. I guess we just inject it then. Shake it. It's okay. Oh, there's oh. All right, now let's we're doing this side first because I goofed up and we had to get the chef involved. But you know what? This is gonna be great. This is gonna be great. I'm not gonna ruin this. I'm probably gonna ruin this. I would show you, but it's yeah. Good job, Jeff, for screwing up. You missed the good shots. Can I just do that? Yep. Huh. Luckily for us, the legs are still good. So we're just gonna do the legs right now. All right. So no, you are not leg. You're skin. So right there. Oh, come on. This is like really so much. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's okay. Wow. All right. This is definitely like a hospital. I got stuff on my seasoning, but not really. All right. More instructions on how to cook, because, ladies and gentlemen, I burn ramen. Okay, like I'm not the best chef. Like I've gone through like 3 microwaves in like a year before. Like that's a true story. You can go ask my dad. if he remembers it. Oh right, do I hit the bone or do I go near the bone or? All right. Okay, we're out. All right. Nope, that's not working. Okay. Trigger's upside down now, so movie magic. So we gotta put one injection right here, and a half injection. There you go. Okay, and then another one here. Ooh, alright. Just, okay, you're bleeding. Okay, oops. Yeah, I know, I'm a John Trump ripoff. Just bite me, okay? You know what? I'm trying new things, kids, okay? You can't sit in your room all day just playing video games. You gotta learn some things, like me. Actually, I never really learned anything new recently, but cooking is one of those things. I'm just gotta get it right. Yeah, that's go. Oh no, I'm getting stuck. Oh, there we go. And then we gotta do it. And then we gotta pull it up like this. And okay. This reminds me of that one episode of what's it called? I think it was House. Yeah, I think it was House. No. Oh yeah, that's it. Where the guy's tongue starts inflating, and like this thing just goes like big, and it's like this. Oh man, it was horrible. But get more of this. Oh, and we're almost done. All right, and now get more here. Yep. Okay. All right. There it is. And we've done it. Next, we're gonna do is we're gonna not really inject, but I heard apparently we're just gonna like take the skin. We're taking the skin off, okay? So just okay. Oh, this is weird. Okay. I guess you gotta just. Oh wow. Okay. Jesus Christ. This is an experience. It's like Alien. I'm sorry. So just, I guess we're just. I have no clue what we're doing, kids. Hold on, like real quick. Like I just flipped the rest of it up. So we're just gonna now fill it up with this mix over here. I have no clue. I'll put it in later. What the ingredients are. And we're just gonna. I used the wrong hand. I'm just gonna try and do this. Man, so this is some guy's fetish, I have a feeling, and I'm concerned for this human being. But yeah, just get a little bit more in there. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. There we go. So right now what we're gonna do is flip the sucker over, and we're just gonna put base it more. Okay. Oh wow, that's a weird. There's like a sack in there. Ooh. Oh, and that's coming up. Nope, no, it's not. And the Olympics is over now. All right. So just gonna. Yeah. Let's put the sucker in here. I'm just gonna. Oh, all right. And then a little more. This, you'll see what's gonna happen. It's gonna be just like Aliens again. I haven't seen that new one. I heard it was bad. Well, that's Predators. Apparently use autism as a superpower for the Predator. I don't know. It was a weird movie. I haven't seen it yet. I don't really want it either. Let's go. All right. There we go. Okay. Oh. So just keep on rubbing that turkey. The good luck turkey. All right. Just. Every other word in this video is gonna be So Jeff, what did you do today? Oh, you know, nothing. I just kind of like inflated a turkey and started rubbing it with juice. Sounds fun. Yeah, kids in elementary school. You're Jeff, you'll never amount to anything, you giant nerd. Yeah, look who's rubbing turkeys now. Uh-oh. Alright, right now we had to do it on the inside as well. I just learned I can just put my hand in this and just fist this son of a bitch. Alright, take it. Oh, come on, yeah. Oh yeah, you know you want that. I'm gonna end up on the Me Too movement. I have a feeling. May cut this out, may not. Who knows? Yep, and And this poor turkey died just so I can just like rampage it. I mean, I'm not like a PETA person. I eat meat because I'm a sensible human being. I'm just saying, jeez, poor turkey. Could have been a turkey celebrity. If that's a thing. I don't think it is, but you know what? I'm not a turkey. I don't know. Who cares? Let's just continue rubbing this thing. So now that we're done basting the turkey, right now I'm just gonna clean off the skin and just wash up and you know get this stuff off my hands, and I'll be right back. So right now we're gonna use some drawn butter, which is in this pan. It helps it brown it out and helps the spices stick to it. Come on, let's go slow-mo cam on this. Yeah. Oh, it's everywhere. Oh, okay. Oh God, it's like. Oh man, never mind. Oh, and there's chunks. Okay. Oh my. Do I lather it up? Okay, rubbing it in again. Turkeys love getting rubbed, I think. Or maybe dead turkeys like getting rubbed. I don't know. Maybe they weren't loved in when they were alive, so they just kind of like this. Actually, humans invented this. You know, who the fuck am I to say? I flipped this sucker over. Okay. Yes. Let's just take the insides, all the other butter that fell out, and just kind of rub its belly. It's kind of like a dog has a stomach ache, but just back up if its dog has a stomach ache, because I know from experience, not fun. It smells. And then it's in like 2 hours crying in the shower because you have a OCD, and it's just like, oh no, I don't think I'm ever gonna get cleaned. But there's some more childhood stories from Jeff, your friendly neighborhood not cook. Some wings and just some more on there and drizzle it on. Yeah, I'm getting too sexual with this turkey. Somebody call for help, please. And I guess that's it. Is that it? All right, gloves are off. Now onto the spices. So right now we're gonna spray a little bit of not spray, but just like dab a little bit of a red cayenne pepper. Funny story about this. I really like hot food, so in high school, my mom had a thing of this. So I was like, wow, it's just like the hot sauce. Put a bunch of it in my mouth. It's not like the hot sauce. It hurts, and it's powdery, and there's a lot of. It gets to the back of your throat. It's not fun, but all right. And just like, oh wait, no, hold on. That's barely any. I guess that's it. So right now we're gonna put some Cajun rub on it. I have no clue what this is. I don't have a story for this one because this is all new to me. So just kind of put 1/2 on this side, and I guess that's it. And then I think we flip it. Do we flip it? We flip it. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna season this bottom part. Oh, I can't do this. You know, I'm not a real man apparently. There we go. That's good, I guess. And just put some of that rub on it, so I don't have to rub it anymore. Don't mind my weird body movements, and yeah, that's what we're done. And now, give me a second, I spell like a third grader. Preheat oven to 450. Put in turkey in oven. Turn down oven to 320S. Cook 15 minutes per pound. You're a terrible cook, you son of a bitch. Okay, so I just been informed that we're not done. We forgot to stuff it with potatoes. So what we got right here, we just tied the legs with butcher twine. Keeps the legs closed. And we just got potatoes soaked in water. I said that was English. And we're just gonna stuff it in there. Just like I don't have a reference for this. Here we go. Oh, just like the one episode of South Park where you get the hamster and Mr. Slave, and it's just like gets stuck up there. Just, jeez, yeah. Kids, let's play a new game. How much potatoes can you throw up a turkey's ass before it all falls out? Got 3 so far. 4, 3, 4, 5. There we go. There we go. 6. And thanks to the butcher's incredible cut, there's an open gash now, and that's, I forgot how to count. I think that's 7. I don't know. We'll figure that out later in post. Get another thing right there. It was like pineapple. I hate pineapple. Okay, apparently now I'm done. Stay back there. The number's 8, I think. So it's gonna tie it like this. Alright. Okay. Gotta bound that turkey just like a I don't know. Just with the legs up, we can dance a little bit, you know. I guess that's it. Or alright. And that's it. Alright, so what you want to do now is basically just kind of suck up these juices right here. You just kind of just refresh the turkey a little bit, you know. Not like I had any idea what I'm doing, I obviously don't, but you know, with some Google searches, maybe I'm doing this all wrong, but who knows? Come on, juice. Yeah, basically, yeah. I think you get what I mean. Also, don't forget the potatoes. They're kind of forget about those. Whoops. Okay, so some time's passed. I fell asleep and part of the turkey's missing, but you don't see that part. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of base the turkey again, yet again, for like the 800th time, and just kind of drizzle it on. Yeah. After this, we're just gonna carve the damn thing because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten for 3 weeks. Just kidding, that's impossible. I mean, unless you're an idiot, then that's pretty possible. And that looks good. So right now I'm just gonna carve it. Heard this isn't a carving fork, but we're not here for accuracy, we're here for comedy. So just kind of just like Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, cool. Waking up still. Kind of just like, yeah, there's good stuff there. Another. Oh, by the way, camera 2's dead. Well, look at that. Look at that juice just dripping out of there. That's nice. Call me Chef Excellence now. Or maybe Chef Failing. I don't know. You know what I gotta say? I gotta say this. With the help of some friends who knows how to cook, and with me preparing it, I can make a damn good chicken. Good God, this shit's amazing. I mean, this isn't part of the act or anything. Like, this is some actual good shit. I don't even like turkey. I'm more of a ham guy. I mean, the fucking spices in this just blow my mouth up. I mean, good God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Well, yeah. So, if you like what you see here, what's up, ladies? If you like what you see here, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, do all that shit because YouTube can't make a proper platform to save their lives. I mean, they can run a business. They just suck with everything else. So, yeah. Maybe I'll make more turkey or food later. Who knows? Let's see how this video works out. But, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you try making turkey from just watching this video and you burn your house down, I'm not liable. So, yeah. I guess peace out and have a good, happy Thanksgiving. I guess.